Suella Braverman, the Home Secretary of Indian origin, has been sacked for defying Prime Minister Rishi Sunak by publishing an article critical of the police's handling of pro-Palestinian demonstrations. Braverman, known for her right-wing views, accused the police of double standards and ignited a culture war questioning the loyalties of Muslims in Britain. Her controversial tenure included advocating for the deportation of illegal immigrants to Rwanda and criticizing multiculturalism. Despite being the daughter of immigrants, she expressed concerns about Indian immigrants overstaying visas. Braverman's dismissal raises questions about Sunak's alignment with her views as the country grapples with divisions on human rights and the Israel-Hamas conflict.
India faces a significant road safety challenge, with an estimated 300,000 annual road deaths, costing 5 to 7% of GDP. The country accounts for almost one-fourth of global road fatalities. As the world observes the World Day of Remembrance for road traffic victims, urgent, evidence-based interventions are needed. Key areas for improvement include enforcing seatbelt and helmet use, reducing speeding, and addressing drink driving. While India has taken steps, such as the Motor Vehicles Amendment Act 2019 and technology adoption in major cities, a comprehensive, whole-of-society effort is required to address this silent pandemic, save lives, and enhance economic well-being.
Tamil Nadu Governor R.N. Ravi's refusal to assent to bills transferring the power to appoint university vice-chancellors from the governor to the state government is criticized as a misuse of constitutional authority. The bills were repassed after a special assembly session, prompting questions about the governor's discretionary powers. The rejection underscores a potential undemocratic aspect in the constitution, prompting calls for a judicial review to assess if vesting governors with veto power over legislation violates parliamentary democracy. The Supreme Court's ongoing proceedings on governor powers may provide clarity on this constitutional matter.
The ongoing assembly elections in 5 states are viewed as a precursor to the 2024 general election. Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and Mizoram have completed polling, with Rajasthan and Telangana set for November 25th and 30th. Competitive populism is prominent, with the BJP and Congress vying to promise diverse welfare schemes. Communal polarization is subdued. BJP and Congress focus on welfare, especially targeting tribal voters. PM Modi launched a 24,000 rupees crore tribal welfare scheme. Caste-based census demands divide opinions. The BJP emphasizes the Ayodhya Ram Temple, while the opposition coalition faces challenges. Results will shape the opposition landscape for 2024.
The Odisha government's education reforms, including the Odisha Adarsha Vidyalayas (OAV), Mo School Abhiyan, and the 5T High School Transformation Program, aim to enhance government schools beyond private schools in infrastructure, affordability, and quality. OAVs provide accessible, qualitative, and affordable English medium education, addressing rural-urban gaps and promoting social equity. The Mo School Abhiyan mobilizes alumni to contribute to school revamping, engaging over 6 lakh alumni members. The 5T program focuses on technology, transparency, teamwork, and timeliness, transforming high schools and resulting in an 81% enrollment in government schools. The proactive approach establishes education as a public good, fostering equality and excellence.
Ahead of Telangana Assembly elections on 30th November, an analysis reveals the state's economic performance surpasses many, but social indicators, especially women's empowerment and child development, lag. Between 2015 to 16 and 2019 to 21, Telangana's ranking worsened in several aspects. In women's education, it ranked lowest among 30 states, with only 60.9% attending school. The state also ranked 23rd in the share of women aged 20 to 24 married before 18 years. While excelling in economic growth, Telangana lags in environmental aspects, generating high hazardous and plastic waste. The state stands 17th in the Human Development Index.
The article discusses the role of the governor in the legislative process, particularly in the context of Tamil Nadu Governor R.N. Ravi withholding assent for certain bills. The Constitution provides 4 alternatives for the governor when presented with a bill: giving assent, withholding assent, rejecting the bill, returning the bill for reconsideration, or reserving the bill for the President's consideration. The Sarkaria and Panchi commissions recommended that the governor's decision on a bill should be made within 6 months, but these recommendations haven't been implemented. The article suggests amendments to reduce the politicization of the gubernatorial post.
In the Georgia state election fraud case involving former President Donald Trump and 18 allies, 4 defendants, including lawyers Sidney Powell and Jenna Ellis, have pleaded guilty to abetting a conspiracy to subvert the 2020 presidential election. Powell faced accusations of interfering with elections, promoting false claims about Dominion voting machines. Ellis admitted to amplifying false election claims. The third lawyer, Kenneth Chesebro, pleaded guilty to conspiracy in the fake elector scheme. These plea deals, involving cooperation and possible immunity, may prompt other defendants to cooperate, strengthening the case against those involved in the alleged election conspiracy.
Amazon is increasingly automating tasks in its warehouse using a fleet of robots, including robotic arms, autonomous mobile vehicles, and humanoid robots. At facilities like Sumner, Washington, robots pick products, handle packaging, and move specific racks using computer vision. Amazon, claiming to be the world's largest manufacturer of industrial robots, has deployed over 750,000 robots globally. The company is testing agility robotics bipedal robot, Digit, and aims to master both mobility and manipulation in warehouse. The introduction of ergonomic assist robots like Sequoia addresses safety concerns, while future developments include smaller, more efficient robotic systems. Amazon has not deployed robots in its Indian facilities yet.
Chimaeras, organisms composed of cells with more than one genetic makeup, have been induced in non-human primates in a groundbreaking study. Using cynomolgus monkeys, researchers extracted embryonic stem cells, modified their DNA to include a green fluorescent protein, and injected them into recipient embryos. 6 full-term offspring were born, with one showing a high degree of chimerism in various tissues. While such studies open doors for biomedical applications, they also raise ethical concerns. Previously, chimeras had been induced in laboratory settings with rat mouse, human pig, and human cow, aiming to develop model systems for growing human organs.
Freemartins are sterile female cattle resulting from the twinning of a male and female in the same uterus, occurring in about 90% of such twin pregnancies in cattle. The exchange of blood between male and female fetuses during gestation causes genetic factors leading to Freemartinism, characterized by the underdeveloped or non-functional reproductive tract in female twins. Due to their inability to reproduce, Freemartins are often culled in agricultural settings to enhance breeding herd efficiency.